Hey guys, this is Tyler again with nubgrammer. So continuing the Programming 101 series, this time we're going to talk about simple operators. So if you think back to math, you have a whole bunch of mathematical operations. We've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have those in programming as well, but we call them operators. And this is what I mean. So in programming, this is what they look like. You've got your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then this is the usage for them. So variable 1 is equal to variable 1 plus variable 2. So what we're doing is we are adding these two variables and then reassigning this new value to the first variable. And this is the shorthand, so you don't have to type all this. And the rest of these pretty much work the same way. So there are a few programming specific operators. We have the plus plus and minus minus, and we'll talk about modulo in a second, but plus plus and minus minus respectively add and subtract 1 from a variable. So in this case, var1 is equal to var1 plus plus. So the new variable, or the new value that's going to be stored in var1 is going to be whatever var1 was plus 1. And again, here's the shorthand for it. And the converse is true for var1 equals var1 minus minus. So let's talk about the modulo operator. So the modulo operator, or the percent sign here, determines the remainder of one number divided by another. And of course this is the usage and the shorthand. Now a better explanation of that is, let's say you needed to determine if a number was odd or even. Well, if that number divided by 2 has no remainder, then you're even. If it has a remainder of 1, then you're odd. So, and there are other use cases for this, but that's the best example I can think of. So let's look at this in action. So, computer, store the sum of red box and blue box in green box. So the computer is going to go out and find the value of red box and add it to the value of blue box and then store it in the green box. Alright, up next we're going to talk about comparison operators.